In DesignerLogic, you can use spec templates to create items with pre-filled prompts so your designers will always know exactly what data to fill in. To view the templates in your account, come up to the Account menu and choose Default Settings, and then click on Spec Templates. Here you'll see a list of all the templates that you have in your account. Most of these will come preloaded with DesignerLogic when you create your account. Now you can edit any of these templates by clicking on the Edit link. And here you can remove or add different prompts if you want for each specific template. You can also add a brand new template at the top if you want to just type in what it's going to be, and we'll choose candle holders. And where the prompts go right here, you can drag this box down so it's a little bit bigger so you can see it a lot easier, and then just click Add. And that will add that new template to your available list. Now to see how this works, we're going to go to a project, and we're going to go to the items and work list for this project. And you can see when we go up to the edit add and we add an item from new from scratch, basically. The new item form has the template or the spec box down here, which is where you put all your specs for ordering. And here we have this template list in this drop down menu, and you can simply just choose the one that you want. And you can see it will pre-fill with prompts the entire spec box, and you can drag that box down if you want to see all of it. And that way your designers will always know exactly what they need to fill out for each specific item. And there's another place you can do this. If you go to the Edit Add and you choose the new item from templates, you'll see all of those spec templates right here, and hovering over this info icon will show you all the prompts that you have for each template. And to choose that template to add to the project or create an item with, you just hit Use. And what this does is this opens up this whole little form and creates this new item for you automatically. You can also choose multiple spec templates and click on bulk selected items. And you can add that to the project once you select an area, and you might want to put on a proposal or phase and hit update. That will actually create, in this case, 3 new items on that project from this template right here. And that's how you use spec templates to quickly create new items with prompts for all the specs in DesignerLogic.